Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sun and moon outfit hack on Dress to Impress. So first you're going to get this basketball and you're going to color it like the fire pattern. I'm just trying to find where that is. My patterns are still loading, I'm so sorry. Okay, it's right here and you're just going to color both of them. Then you're going to select the apple one and you're going to color it like gray or the color of like the moon. Then go to the toggle button and you're going to select the rotten to the core one. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.